Hi everyone, welcome back. Join me. Let me show you how I prepare this delicious cabbage sauce. All right. So we're going to begin by cutting our hard chicken. Cut to your desired size. All right. Wash it properly. I use salt here. All right. So if today is your first time coming across this channel, thank you so much. Let's go ahead to cook the chicken. In a cooking pot, I added the washed chicken. Go ahead to add in your chopped onions, which I did add to your desired taste or size. Okay, so I added my ginger and garlic paste, some salt, oregano. So I added some curry powder, add to your taste, season cubes. Okay, once done, give it a nice stir, cover and allow to cook on its own juice for about 10 minutes. Okay. If you have watched up to this point, it means you love our recipes. Thank you so much. Please do what to support. Subscribe to our channel if you have not done that. Okay, like, share, comment, and also turn on your notification bell for more amazing videos. To my returning subscriber, thank you so much. God bless you. I love you all. So at this point, okay, I went ahead to add some water to the chicken. Okay, once done, give it a nice stir. Feel free to adjust for salt or seasonings if needed. Okay, cover and allow to cook. So the next here we have our cabbage. Okay, you can use any quantity of your choice. Go ahead to cut. All right, it is well cleaned.
She dey pour, I'm just for you. MIRA'S kitchen like the show. Her spirit warm, my rhythm slow. You go taste them, you go feel. Say this kitchen love be real.
Over here, the cabbage is ready. Okay, so next we are going ahead to cut the carrot into smaller parts. Okay, well peeled and well cleaned as well.
This food not get this love no hush. Mira, oh Mira.
Over here is well cleaned and cut mixed bell pepper. So I went ahead to cut into smaller parts. Okay, cut to your desired size. All right. For the thickener, I use cornstarch. Okay, add little water, mix very well so you make sure there is no lumps in it. Okay, once done, set aside.
Mira de cool with love in our hand. You go taste them.
Back to the pot. Let's go ahead to mix all the ingredients. All right, so I'll be adding in some fresh pepper, curry powder, add to your taste, and also feel free to use any seasonings of your choice. So I added some seasoning cube. Go ahead and give it a nice stir. All right, I added the cornstarch. Okay, so the amount you added depends on the quantity of sauce that you are making or preparing. All right, give it a nice stir. Go in with your vegetables. Okay, I added chopped carrots. Of course, you stir. Now cover and brings to a boil. Okay, some minutes later, back to the pot. Give it a nice and lovely stir. Okay, so at this point I have gotten the exact consistency that I need. I went in with some sweet corn. Okay, this is totally optional. I added some pears. Okay, you add to your taste. Give it a nice stir. Honestly, the type of aroma coming out from this kitchen, hey God, you cannot resist it. Honestly, now go in with your mixed bell pepper. Of course, you add, you stir. Honestly, guys, this sauce is giving very quick. Before 10 minutes, you are out from your kitchen, right? Now we are going in with our cabbage. Okay, at this point, you can even skip the cabbage if you feel like. Okay, so I added my cabbage. I'm going to be adding it little by little. I stir, okay, until I'm done using them up. Okay.
She goes, smile, say, come chop, no need to rush. This food, not get this love, no hush. Mira, oh, mira. Mira de cool. Mira de love. In every bite, a gift from above. Oh, mira. Oh, yeah, yeah. Mira, mira de cool. With love in our hand, you go taste them.
At this point, everything is well incorporated. Go ahead, cover the pot and allow to cook for another 2 minutes.
Tomato sweet like pepper.
2 minutes later, my goodness, can you see? So give it a nice stir, mix, okay, until it is well combined, which it has done already. So make sure you turn off the cooker, right? Turn off the cooker. When I mean turn off the cooker immediately, and bring down your pot so that the vegetables will not get more softer. Okay, now it's time to serve. Yeah, serve. You enjoy in whichever way you like. You can enjoy it with your rice, your pasta, or in whichever way you prefer. Are you going to be trying out this recipe? If you will do, let me know what you think in the comment section. So guys, thank you all for watching. This tasted so super delicious, tantalizing. Honestly, tasted so super good. When I mean good, are you on weight loss journey? You can as well enjoy this sauce without panic, right? Yeah, this tasted so super delicious. Thank you all for watching. If you have not subscribed, please do well to support us. Subscribe to our channel. See you guys on our next one. And remember, bye.
Kitchen like the show, our spirit warm, my rhythm slow. You go taste them, you go feel. Say this kitchen love be real.